Today our topic is muscle, histology of muscle. Muscle is a collection of elongated muscle cells known as muscle fiber or myocytes supported by connective tissue, and cytoplasm of muscle cells or fiber is called sarcoplasm, and surrounding cells, this is sarcoplasm, and surrounding cells membrane is sarcolemma. Histologically and functionally, three types of muscles can be differentiated. First, skeletal or striated muscle, second is cardiac muscle, and third is smooth or visceral muscle. Now, first we talk about skeletal muscle. This type of muscle is also called voluntary or striated muscle. Basic unit of skeletal muscle is a long cylindrical muscle fiber are arranged parallel to each other and do not show any branching. A single muscle fiber contains hundreds of nuclei. These nuclei are present in the peripheral part of the sarcoplasm and just beneath the sarcolemma. These are peripheral nuclei. Each muscle fiber is occupied by thousands of contractile thread-like structure called myofibril. Myofibril are in turn composed of myofilament, and it is formed by contractile thin protein called actin and myosin. This is myosin, this is actin. Arrangement of actin and myosin filament is very regular and form a distinct cross striation pattern when seen under the light microscope. Each myofibril shows alternate dark and light band. This is dark band and this is light band. Dark staining bands are called A band. This is A band, or it is also called anisotropic band, which contain mainly thick myosin filament. This is thick myosin filament in dark band. And light bands are I. This is I band, is a light band. This is also called isotropic band, which contain mainly thin actin filament. This is thin actin filament. In high resolution image shows each light I band is bisected by a dense transverse Z line. This is in I band. This is parallel in I band. This is Z line. Between two Z line is the smallest contractile. Between two Z line, this is smallest contractile unit. It is called sarcomere. Connective tissue of muscles consists of three layers. Epimysium. Connective tissue sheath of muscles. This is surrounding, and perimysium. This is connective tissue covering of each fascicle. And endomysium. It is loose connective tissue surrounding each muscles. This is endomysium. This is transverse section of muscles. This is transverse section of skeletal muscles. There is surrounding epimysium, and each fascicle surrounded by perimysium, and each muscle fiber is surrounded by endomysium. Now, nuclei in this are situated in periphery beneath the just close to the sarcolemma. If we see longitudinal section of skeletal muscle fiber, there is a muscle fiber are long, parallel to and without branching, and characteristic striation of alternate dark A and light I band due to contractile protein myosin and actin respectively are present in each muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber has multiple flat nuclei located at periphery just beneath the sarcolemma. This is flat peripheral nuclei. Now if we see transverse section, there is a bundle of muscle fiber can be seen. Each muscle fiber is seen as round structure with peripheral nuclei.